Snacks.
Okay, let's get right to it. Thing, y'all. Y'all know what it is. That's everything. Right. Controller out of there. Nice solid matte finish on there. It's pretty good. D-pad feels a little smaller. Controller as a whole actually feels slightly smaller, but there's our new controller. Fresh share button. Power, standard. Important piece right here, okay? So HDMI 2.1, okay? If you want to get 120 hertz, 120 frames per second, you are looking specifically for, let me see if I can get this thing to focus on this. It's going to give me a hard time, huh? So it says on here HDMI 2.1, and that is specifically what you're looking for. You are looking for HDMI 2.1 ultra high speed is what you want. So you want to actually make sure you use the HDMI cable that comes with the Xbox so that you can get the full fidelity of what the console is capable of putting out. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy up out of here. Man, it's got a little weight to it, and I appreciate that. Go ahead and pop that open. And they really took their time and wrapped this thing like a present. And I can tell you right now, just looking at it, it is probably going to be a magnet for fingerprints. Let's get this off of here. All right. So here's the bottom of the box. There is the unit itself. Right there on the top. See, it says Xbox. Upright. All your inputs and such on the back. Here we have it. That gorgeous design on the inside at the top. Makes it look like it glows. There she blows. Unit. Controller. Get you to sit there? Probably not. It's almost perfect. It's almost the perfect size to get that to sit right there. But hey, there it is, fresh out the package for you, ready to go. Let's get her all set up.
Loading Snacks.